Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox this smart box TX2, and we have here the box of this smart box. As you can see, we have the sticker to tell us the model, and this box is very good packaged. As you can see, we have some pictures of apps that we can use, and immediately we have the box wrapped up for protection. And you can see that the TX2 is very thin and light, very good shape and good design. You can see underneath we have some information, including the MAC address and other stuff. In the back we have the HDMI, power on and internet cable as well, also the hard reset button. We can see the TX2 smart box is very useful with these ports. We have two USB ports and one SD card port in the right side of the box, so I think that is pretty useful that we can use in the future while we are using the smart box. Underneath all that we have the controller. As you can see, it's very small and easy to use. We have the power brick to power on our smart box, and we have the HDMI cable as well. Underneath all that we have the user manual as usual, and here is everything explained, how to set it up, how to use it, and everything that we need. Also, there are included some questions. If we have any question or trouble, we have the answer here in the user manual. So you can see every single cable is explained where it goes, and as I said, the troubleshooting, you can see here the problem and the answer of that problem in the other side. So I think it's time to go ahead and see what we got from the TX2, hook it up with the TV and test it more, see what we got from the smart box. So you can see now we are waiting to power it on, and immediately when we put the power brick on, the TX2 logo popped up. We have Android sign. And we are waiting to power on the smart box. You can see it's taking a bit in this Android sign. I don't know why, but it happens. And here we have now immediately the smart box is open. We have the Google Play Store, YouTube and File Explorer, browser, memory cycle, apps, settings, etc. As you can see, we're going to the settings. We have network, time and data, factory reset, system update, app manager, developer and other stuff as well, like a usual Android. As you can see, we have here the app manager. You can manage all your apps. Here we have more options as well for the settings. As you can see, we have the product model, the Android version, we have the build number and all of these information that are necessary to know about this smart box. Let's go back, see what we got here in personal. We have personal settings. We have the language here, we can change the language if we need so. And we have the storage. Here we can read all about the SD card and the storage that we have left, the storage that we used, and all of these stuff about the storage. Next we have sound. As you can see, we can control here the volume. We have the display, all the details about the display and screen we have right here. We are here at the factory reset. Here you can reset your smart box to the factory stuff. We have here the developer settings, USB settings, permit unknown sources, USB and other stuff. And here we have the usual settings. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and all other stuff as it was an Android and a phone. We have data usage, more display, apps, memory, and as you can see again we can check the memory that we used and the memory that we can use. We have sound and notifications, USB storage, user, location, account, language input and other stuff as well. As you can see, we can check all of these out here in the file explorer. We have all the files and details that we need, or if we need to see. Now we can check all the apps that we already downloaded. We downloaded plenty of apps and we are planning on using them. We are going to test them. Some of these apps are for movies, some of them are for TV channels like news, sports and other stuff. As you can see, we have here the 864 as we use always in our videos. So in this app we can read all about the details of the smart box. We have the system, CPU, display, network, battery, Android device, thermal sensors, app and other stuff as well. As you can see, everything about system is in the right side. You go to CPU, all the details about the CPU will come in the right side. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Or you go to display, everything about display will come in the right side and you can read about your display. This app actually is a very useful app in case you need to know about something in your device. You can go ahead here and see what you got. So as you can see, everything is working perfectly in this smart box. I don't think we have anything else to add, just to say that these little tests that we did worked perfectly until now. Everything was good and I want to thank you for your time and attention. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel and we will see in the next video.